this video, I'm going to be reviewing Ikigai by Francis Mireles and Hector Garcia. I don't normally read self-help. I don't know why, but it just doesn't seem my type. But this book is like trending everywhere right now, and I really wanted to see what the hype was all about. So I decided to go with it, and I did. And did I think the book was worth the hype? Stay tuned to find out. If you're wondering what this mysterious word Ikigai is, well, it is derived from two words, Iki and Gai. Iki meaning life and Gai meaning the realization of hopes and expectations. In other words, it means a reason for being, a sense of purpose in life and the overall feeling of well-being. Everybody has an Ikigai. Everybody has it within themselves, and the question is to actually find it, which is what a lot of people are struggling with. Finding your Ikigai is supposed to bring satisfaction and meaning in your life. The book follows two people, our authors, who go to this village called Ogimi in the Okinawa Prefecture, Japan, and this village also happens to be known as the Village of Longevity. This is because this island has always been known for its centenarians. It has the highest percentage of centenarians in the world. What's surprising is that these centenarians are healthy, happy and active almost till the end of their lives. The authors go to Ogimi to learn the secret to people's longevity. They are welcomed here and they stay for about a week, and during the stay there, they try to learn the ways of the people and the lifestyle. The book mainly tries to tell you the importance of an Ikigai in your life, while also telling you about the Ogimi people's way of life and the things you can inculcate in your life to bring more meaning, purpose and, of course, longevity to your life. The book started off really well, it held my interest and it made me want to read more and more. But in the middle, I kind of found my interest dropping now and then because the authors can sometimes go on and on about one single topic, and that just got a little too much for me. For example, in this instance, the authors compare logotherapy and psychotherapy, and they go on and on and on. It's like they get the point very clearly, but they just don't stop. There were quite a few instances like that, and if it weren't for those, the book was actually good. The book was also pretty small and full of content, and it can be quite enriching. I actually happen to be one of those people who strongly believes that everybody has a purpose in life, that everybody has come down to earth with a purpose to fulfill. And the fact that this book conveyed just that made it more appealing to me. Overall, I gave this book 3 out of 5 stars, and I would recommend it, especially for people who still haven't found their Ikigai, and for others too, so that at least they can inculcate some of the Ogimi people's healthy ways. So that is all. That was my review on Ikigai by Francis Mireles and Hector Garcia.